The euro was born out of the 1992 Maastricht Treaty. It came into being in a non-physical form on the 1st of January 1999 to allow interbank flows, electronic transfers and euro-denominated travellers' checks. 11 European Union members took part. From this point, each individual country had their own currency set against €1. The newly installed European Central Bank overseeing monetary policy for the bloc. The physical currency came into effect on the 1st of January 2002 in those 11 EU members, plus Greece, which had had its unit of the drachma set in June 2001. The European Union has since expanded to include 28 countries, and 7 of the new members have joined the single currency. 7 of the remaining countries are expected to join at some point, while the UK and Denmark opted out of joining the euro at its inception and have no plans to exchange their currencies. The euro's had to contend with several crises. 3 months prior to the physical currency coming into effect, the euro plunged to 82.96 against the dollar, only to recover and then crash to 81.15 on the 15th of January 2002. However, its value quickly stabilised above parity as its international usage grew rapidly. The global financial crisis that began in 2007 to 2008 saw the eurozone enter its first official recession. The euro area was in negative growth for the second, third and fourth quarters of 2008 and the first quarter of 2009 before returning to positive growth. Despite a series of interest rate cuts, the eurozone continued with no real inflation and lack of growth, and with the growing threat that Greece may default and have to withdraw from the euro area, in January 2015 the ECB began its programme of quantitative easing. This QE remains in place, although modified from its beginning over 2 years ago, and supporters say the process is now paying off. A brief nudge to 14-year lows early in 2017, as the dollar strengthened on promises made by the newly elected President Donald Trump, the euro has now moved to strike 20-month highs, as the authorities claim that despite pumping €60 billion a month up until Christmas 2017 and subsequently €30 billion a month into its QE programme, the economic picture is brightening across the euro area. So where now? The euro has still to feel any effects from Brexit, although some analysts claim there are bigger threats to worry about, including the euro area Great Divide between the southern and northern EU states. The comparative difficulties southern countries have in dealing with the relatively strong euro, and also the perceived inequality in the way the EU deals with the vast numbers of migrants coming from northern Africa, putting a fiscal and social strain on the Mediterranean countries.